Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for an Xbox controller. It's the Daystrike Camo controller. So yeah, a bit about how I got this. Basically, I signed up to Microsoft Rewards like ages ago, and I've just been saving and saving my points. And yeah, eventually was able to afford this, so redeemed it yesterday, and it's been delivered by UPS this morning. So yeah, really liked the design of this when it was announced. So yeah, I thought I'd get it. So it was $59.99. So I redeemed my points for basically Xbox credit or Microsoft account credit, and just paid it off with that. So yeah. So there's the front. That's one of the sides. That's the other side, which it tells you what you get. So you get the controller and you get some batteries. So gear up for action, bold red and black camo design, capture and share content seamlessly with the share button. Xbox wireless and Bluetooth, easily pair and switch devices, and texture grip and bumpers always stay on target. But yep, that's that. And then inside, ooh, that's nice. We have the controller itself, but we also have some Duracell batteries, a code for Game Pass Ultimate under there, and about 15 different manuals. So yeah, that's that. Let's have a quick look at the controller. Put that away. So yeah, it's really nice. It doesn't really do it justice in video. It's not as bright as it looks, so the contrast is really good. But yeah, obviously your textured bumpers and that on the top, and it isn't really a black. It's more like a kind of like a really dark chocolate brown, I'd say. It's not black on the back. So there's your D-pad and that, your Xbox button, share button in the middle. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing, guys, of the Daystrike Camo controller for the Xbox series of consoles, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.